Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy, named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching this video for the first time and you want to learn more about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, then go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you turn the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, because what I'm about to show you right now is going to blow your mind and you might want to take action as soon as after this video. Now, here's the thing. Now, guys, if you want, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing or learning, are you willing to start an online business to make $1,000 or to make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing? Then you have to learn these strategies that I'm about to teach you right now in this video. Because what you're about to see right now, this is going to be for you to take action as you watching this video. At the end of this video, then you might want to take action and get started immediately right after you see this video. Now, my name is Jaquan Moultrie. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 3 years now. Completely changed my life. And the reason why the reason why I make videos like this is because I want to teach you guys how to make money online with affiliate marketing and how to scale your business from making $0 to $1,000 per day. Okay? So if you want to make $10,000 per month, then you have to do the work to able to see to receive to able to receive income passively. Okay, so without that being said, make sure you like this type of content. Make sure you give your boy a red hit that red subscribe button, and make sure you turn the notification bells as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing without having to have your own product, without having to do any selling or telling, without even having no experience whatsoever needed. Okay? So without that being said, guys, let's head over to Digistore 24. Alright, guys, so most of you guys who probably don't know about Digistore 24, Digistore 24 is an online affiliate marketing network out there that you as an affiliate can promote different products and make a commission. You could be making between 75 to 100% commissions on average, okay? Depending on which product that you really want to promote, so you can generate instant passively commissions on regular daily basis. Set it up on autopilot and just sit back and relax. You could be going out anywhere in the world, traveling. You can do anything you want. Now, I know you're tired of struggling and you want to see results like this, but don't worry, it's going to come to you. If you pay attention as I'm teaching you right now, step by step in this tutorial video, then sit back, relax, make sure you get a cup of water, take down notes, get a pen and paper, and take down these notes, because I'm going to show you how to get free traffic by using manifestation. Okay, I'm going to teach you all about this new method that these online gurus never tell you about, or never teach you none of these methods before whatsoever, etc., etc. All right, so without that being out the way, so what you want to do, you want to come here to digistore24.com. I will leave the link in the description down below, so that way you'll be redirected to come directly to here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the register now button, and what you're going to do, you're going to